Go.
If you're putting on a full vinyl seat cover, sometimes there's going to be some wrinkles. It's just the nature with vinyl, especially in cold weather. Same with seat covers, not so much so, but you're going to have a few wrinkles sometimes, a few things. Those will settle down, especially in the front seats where you've got a very concave seat. That will settle down and form to your seat as time goes by. So basically, I forgot it. Okay, here I have the cushion, a very dirty cushion, but with some seat covers, it'll be clean soon. Okay, got the solid cushion, top, back. First thing I do, I'm just going to line it up. If you've got a clean work surface to put this on, do so. Take it in the house, put it in the garage, whichever you want to do. I'm just going to hold it, get it all lined up. You're going to line the front seam up, make sure the sides line up, and you're good to go. Everything's all covered. The seatbelt notches, these notches are for your seat belts, so we need to have them. Line up all the seams, and we'll just plunk it right here on the hood of the car and start attaching the S-hooks. Now with these S-hooks on here, it is okay to take them and punch them into the foam. It's very good foam, it's not going to rip. They do hog ring into the foam already at the factory, so you can see they've done that. Plunk them in. Let's get some more here. And plunk them in. Okay, you can stop.
Yeah.
I've got all my S-hooks in here, plunked into there. If you can attach them together, if you can put them on the hog rings, that's fine. Wherever they're nice and secure, I've got them all on here. Everything looks nice and lined up. Now we've got the bungee cord. And the bungee cord goes around the perimeter the same as it does in the front seat. So what I do is I just take it around to here and pull it nice and tight. And what you can do even is just take it through here, use your clip to hold it, and pull her down nice and tight, and just attach it onto this hog ring from the factory that's through the foam. Take this one here, same thing. I like that idea of putting it through here, so we're just going to take this off here, plunk it into there again, and just use that to anchor it. Pull it through, attach it onto the hog ring from the factory, and that pulls it up nice and tight. Make sure all the seams are aligned. It takes a little bit of working, pulling there, because I'm going to be able to see this, and I want to make sure that's covered. And there we go. Oops, we missed one here. Are you still rolling?
Yeah. Unrated directors.
We don't have to say oops after that. Oops, okay. Yuck. Oh yeah. It's gonna make me die. Okay.
Hold on.
Okay, got it on. Everything all there. I checked the front seams. Everything's good. Let's go and put it in. Move the ratchet out of the way. I move my seat belts up here to make sure they're going to go through. Just sort of nudge it through, pull them up, and push your arm back. Give it a little taps, just like that. Nothing crazy. Everything's all being covered. I can feel underneath where those slots are and where the clips are. You can hear it pop back in. Same thing, give it a little tap. And in there. Beautiful. There we go. Seatbelts through. Give it a little bit of a pull here, pull there. Make sure it looks nice and neat. Look at these bolsters. They're a little bit of work, but they look super good. There we are. Done.